Now, let's start with its formula. C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared minus 2AB times cos C. Let's make A equal to 9, B equal to 5, and C equal to 8. 8 squared is equal to 64, 9 squared is equal to 81, 5 squared is equal to 25, 2 times 9 times 5 is equal to 90. And let's calculate it. 64 is equal to 106 minus 90 times cos C. Transpose 64 to the right side, then subtract it from 106. 0 is equal to 42 minus 90 times cos C. Transpose 90 times cos C to the other side. Divide both sides by 90. Use the inverse cosine. C is equal to 62.2. That's the law of cosine. Thank you for watching.